came across this in NASA Tech Briefs, Products of Tomorrow, a biomaterial replacement for plastic laminates. Penn State University researchers developed an inexpensive biomaterial that can be used to sustainably replace plastic barrier coatings in packaging and many other applications, greatly reducing pollution. Completely compostable, the material is comprised of nearly equal parts of treated cellulose pulp from wood or cotton and chitosan, which is derived from chitin, leftover shells from lobsters, crabs, and shrimp consumed by humans. The environmentally friendly barrier coatings have applications ranging from water-resistant paper to coatings for ceiling tiles and wallboard. So food coatings to seal in freshness. The potential reduction of pollution is immense if these barrier coatings replace millions of tons of petroleum-based plastic associated with food packaging used every year. Stop the boat.